Eating lunch out adds up very fast. If you're looking for affordable ideas, this carrot rice with chicken and bell pepper stir fry makes 5 delicious bowls for less than 125 shillings each. Starting with the rice, let's prep everything first. I usually buy my onions per kg, but you can get one of these size for about 10 shillings. Dice it into medium-sized pieces so it cooks evenly without disappearing into the rice. For the carrots, I got 3 pieces for 10 shillings. Peel them and grate into small pieces. This will add a pop of color, natural sweetness, and bulk to the rice without increasing the cost too much. I'm using 2 cups of basmati rice, which weighs around 400 grams. I got a 5 kg bag for 1,100 shillings, making these 400 grams cost about 88 shillings. Always keep an eye on supermarket offers. Rice is one of those pantry staples where small savings really add up over time. Wash the rice until the water runs clean to remove excess starch so that the grains cook fluffy and separate. Now let's cook. To a deep pot, add 1 tablespoon of oil. I'm using coconut oil for flavor and aroma, but any neutral oil works just fine. Let's cost this to about 15 shillings. Let it melt, then add the onion. Cook until it's soft and a little translucent. Add in half a tablespoon of ginger garlic paste and saute until fragrant. To season, I'm adding 1 tablespoon of my homemade curry powder and salt to taste. This will add warmth and depth without overpowering the rice. Mix everything in and cook for about a minute for the spices to bloom properly. The paste and seasoning cost about 20 shillings. Now add in the grated carrots and cook for a few minutes until they are soft, vibrant, and well coated in the spices. Add in the washed rice. Mix until every grain is coated, then toast it for about a minute to enhance the nutty flavor. I made this chicken broth from some bones I had in the freezer. It's only about 3 cups, so I'll top it up with 1 cup of water. The broth would cost roughly 20 shillings. Mix it in and bring everything to a boil. Cover and cook for 12 to 15 minutes until the liquid is absorbed and the rice is fully cooked. Once done, let it rest covered for 10 minutes, then fluff it up gently with a fork. This rice is fluffy, colorful, and aromatic, and it will cost you about 163 Kenyan shillings to make. For the stir fry, I'll be using boneless, skinless chicken thighs. I got them on offer for 699 shillings per kg, so the 423 grams I'm using in this recipe cost me about 295 shillings. Cut them into small, bite-sized cubes. What's your favorite cut of chicken? Mine is whichever cut is on offer that week. No, really, this is how I save money while still eating good quality chicken. Place the chicken in a mixing bowl. Since thighs already have some fat streaks, I won't add any oil. I'll be using the juice of 1 lemon for freshness and tenderness. This lemon was 10 shillings at the market. Add in 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste for aromatic depth, 1 teaspoon each of citrus herb seasoning for a zesty kick, cumin powder for earthiness, and paprika for color and subtle sweetness. Then finally add some herb salt and pepper to taste. This cost about 20 shillings for the paste and 30 shillings for the spices, bringing the total cost of the chicken and marinade to 355 Kenya shillings. Mix until well combined, then cover and marinate for at least 30 minutes. Meanwhile, let's prep the veggies. This size of onion is also about 10 shillings. Dice it into medium-sized pieces. For the bell peppers, I'm using green, red, and yellow ones. I'll use 1 green pepper from a bunch of 3 that costs 20 shillings and 1 red and 1 yellow that cost 30 shillings each because they were bruised. I try to go to the market on the day my bell pepper guy brings in fresh stock. That way, I can get peppers that are slightly damaged during transport for much cheaper. Normally, this size of colored pepper goes for about 70 shillings each. Dice them all into small pieces. The chicken should be well marinated now. Let's start cooking. To a deep pan, add the chicken pieces and let them cook for about 5 minutes. You don't need any oil here, just a good pan so they don't stick. Once the chicken has released its juices, push them aside to create some space. Add in about 1 tablespoon of garlic herb compound butter for richness and herby flavor. I made this mint rosemary butter at home. The recipe is linked in the description and I would assume this portion cost about 20 shillings. Add the onion and let it cook as the butter melts. Then mix everything into the chicken. Cook for a few more minutes until the onion is soft and the chicken is fully cooked through. Now add in the diced bell peppers. I'll cook them for less than 1 minute to keep them crunchy so they don't turn mushy when reheated during the week. This colorful stir fry is vibrant, flavorful and balanced and will cost you around 452 shillings to make. This brings the total of the whole meal to 615 Kenya shillings. Now let's portion. I'm dividing this into 5 bowls for the whole work week, which comes to approximately 123 shillings per portion. This meal prep takes me less than 1 hour on a Sunday afternoon and helps me save money and time while eating healthy, delicious home-cooked meals. Let everything cool down, then cover and store in the fridge or freezer if you prefer. Grab one on the day, warm it up and enjoy. This is exactly how I make budget-friendly weekday lunches easier without sacrificing flavor. If you loved this delicious lunch bowl, subscribe and I'll see you on the next one.